Today, we unveil the DOBOT Nova Series. This line offers clean design aesthetics to connect consumers and businesses in new ways. Compact joint design results in a lightweight body that fits into 1 square meter of space. Intuitive graphical programming that anyone can pick up. Enhanced with AI and sensing technologies to enable self-learning. It takes a whole month to train a barista. Teaching a Nova takes only 10 minutes. Nova has 5 adjustable levels of collision detection and intelligently identifies human postures. In case of sudden power outage, it automatically freezes to ensure safety of others. Industry's first bespoke service on color customization. Effortlessly fits into stores to complement existing branding. Nova is ready to be your star sidekick. DOBOT Nova. Ready for anything, anywhere. To a better lifestyle. A new choice awaits.